Worksheet 21 continues to simplify those algebraic expressions. This is going to continue the distributive property. We'll do a couple of these again just to remind you how we're doing that. When it asks you to distribute, you are going to multiply that number on the outside of the parentheses. So let's look at number 1. The number outside is a 7, so we're going to distribute it to the negative 14g and the 6. Remember, distribute means to multiply. So 7 times negative 14. Man, I don't know that in my head, so I'm going to go over here to the side and say 14 times 7. And 4 times 7 is 28. Carry my 2. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 more is 9. So we've got negative 98g for the first number. Now, 7 times 6 is a little easier. So positive 7 times positive 6 is positive 42. Don't be ashamed to go over here and work it out. Don't guess on those problems. Just because you don't know it does not mean you just guess or skip it. Number 2, it's asking you to add this number to whatever you distribute here. So we're going to bring that down. It's going to give us another step there. So we have an 11q that's going to hang out here to the side. But what we're actually distributing is this number 19 that's on the outside of the parentheses. So 19 times 12 and then 19 times 14. So the first number we're doing is 19 times 12, and I don't know that by heart. So we'll say 19 times 12 over to the side. 9 times 2 is 18. 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 1 more is 3. Then I'm going to add my placeholder here. 9 times 1 is 9, and 1 times 1 is 1. 9 and 3 is 12. So we have 228 minus, now we have 19 times 14. And I don't know that either, so I'm going to go over here and do 19 times 14. 9 and 4 is 36. 1 and 4 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. Placeholder 9 and 1 is 9. 1. So we have 6. And 9 and 7 is 16. 260. Minus 260q. Now, forget about all that scratch that we did over here on the side. And look, we've got a negative 11q plus 228 minus 260q. We can combine this number and we can combine this number, okay? So you can go ahead and put your box, or my pen is not working right, on that. So we have negative 11 minus 260. So if we already have negative 11 and then we're also going to subtract 260 from that, you're really just adding. So that would be negative 271q plus 228. And this right here is your final answer. So it looks like a lot. The numbers got real big on that because of the multiplication. Remember to go out to the side and do the multiplication if you need to.